My name is LOREN Rodriguez. I'm 17 years old. I attend Central High School and I am a senior this year. It's always been a dream for me to compete at the Clovis Rodeo.
It's an Appaloosa horse, so they come with spots. I don't know, just bet that it fit him.
So we are competing for the crown, and we're going to receive, if we win, a saddle, money, scholarships, a hat, a belt buckle. My mom has been my big inspiration to doing what I do because she supports me in all the stuff I want to do. If I win, I'm going to help out other girls who want to compete for the next year, and I'm going to use the scholarships for school and the money for school